No.
This one. The dog.
Oh, the dog? Maybe.
You can pet the dogs. They love attention.
He's so cute. His little eyes are like... You first barked at... Oh, there's a cat.
Yep.
There's a cat.
There is a second one, then they're both twins.
Zackery. Say, huh? It's a beautiful bird. Kitty kitty?
And that one's Zorro.
Zulu?
Zorro.
Oh, Zorro.
Yeah, that one's the boy.
I cannot do that. I can't do that.
Is he showing off again?
Stand on one leg.
Yeah.
He likes showing. Yeah. What about this one? Hi.
And that's Gabby. Was that the dog?
I think it was one of them.
It's barking.
Okay. Zackery can bark. So sometimes it's like, no, that's a Zackery bark, not a dog bark. But sometimes I get mixed up. Especially when he does the phone ringing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he will imitate a phone ringing and confuse the heck out of me.
It's awesome.
When you were gone and I was with James, we were cooking the chicken nuggets for lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And the phone started going off, and
Let's
I was
not
like,
get
no,
too
that's
close, buddy.
Zackery. And James was like, I don't think that's Zackery. So I ran out here. The phone
Oh,
was ringing.
look
I
at
looked
him. It's showing off
Zackery.
again.
And then I was like, it was you. He's actually waving.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Nice.
Can you say hi? No,
Good
he
boy.
doesn't. He doesn't like talking. He just... Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Zackery waving. How cool.
I see his tongue. Isn't the dog like has like feelings or something?
I think so.
Alright, all the cats that are stuck in your stuff.
He just showed off his wings. Can you do that again? That was really cool. Can you do that again?
What are you doing, Mr. Zackery?
Did he spread his wings?
Oh, you stretched?
Does
that
this
what
dog
you-
only have 3 legs?
No, she's got all 4. Her hips just dislocated.
Oh wow.
Hi, mister. Hi. You okay?
Can you wave at me?
Huh.
Do you
Good
feel like
boy.
waving?
It's okay.
Or are you just gonna look at me?
It's okay. You want to try up us? You want to try? Good boy. No, that's okay. I've been trying. He's very slow progress. Ain't that right?
He's lagging. He's lagging.
Yeah, you're chuckling at me. My attempts to make you nicer.
Hi.
Nice.